Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions, because without mic access, nothing works. Go into your phone settings, grant Fortnite microphone permission, then open the game and turn voice chat on. Choose push to talk or open mic based on how you play. Open mic is simpler for testing. Once done, disable Bluetooth headsets to force the phone mic and speak while watching the in-game mic meter so you can see levels and confirm the system is capturing audio. Next, route audio correctly because mismatched devices cause silence. In Fortnite audio settings, pick phone speaker or a wired headset instead of Bluetooth because many Bluetooth profiles block microphone input. Then raise voice volume and mic sensitivity so faint speech registers. Low sensitivity is a common culprit. Once you change devices or levels, force close Fortnite and reopen it. This ensures settings reload. If teammates still can't hear you, swap to push to talk briefly to isolate whether it's input or network related. To finish, stabilize the network because voice passes through Epic servers. Switch to home Wi-Fi or a strong cellular signal to reduce packet loss. Make sure both Fortnite and your mobile OS are updated, since patches often fix voice bugs. If problems persist after testing with wired mic and fresh network, reinstall the app. This clears corrupted caches. One troubleshooting tip: if voice still fails, try another device with your account to determine whether the issue is device-specific or account/server side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.